As the sun sets over the mighty hills of KwaZulu, a new chapter begins. We arrive at the emotional climax of Shaka Ilembe Season 2, Episode 1. After being officially crowned King of the Zulu, Shaka stands tall, adorned in royal regalia, his mother Queen Nandi by his side. The kingdom erupts in chants, celebrating a new era led by a warrior forged in hardship. But behind the cheers lies tension. While Shaka is honored in Kwanabamba, Zwide and the Ndwandwe elders watch with cold, calculating eyes. The episode cuts back and forth between celebration and secret meetings, showing that not everyone welcomes this new king. A chilling moment comes when Zwide warns his sons. This boy will not stop until every kingdom bows to him. This sets the tone.
Namhlanje siyabusa nje kungenxa yalamaqhawe ami anqobe impi. Siphi insizwa zami?
Shaka's reign will not be peaceful. The final scene fades in slowly. Shaka looks to the horizon. His face is calm, but his eyes? Focused, determined. There's a storm brewing, a new war, new betrayals, new victories. And we're just getting started. Season 2 isn't just about the rise of a king, it's about the making of a legend. This is the beginning of greatness, but also the beginning of blood. Music swells, then fades out. Call to action, optional for your video ending. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like and subscribe for more episode summaries and Zulu historical context. Drop a comment below. Do you think Shaka will hold on to power or be betrayed from within?
Awusilandiseke noMahlanjana. Nibadudule kanjani?
Katshwa angazi bangake ngibachukile. Engikwaziyo ukuthi uZembe lo kanye noPhiphi Nyimfu bebesibhukutela nje izingazini zamathonga.
Phela vele uyabona owamandwandwe umkhonto aweneli igazi. Salutho. Wena wawusuthula kangaka nje sikhonyana.
Oh, akayikhohliwe ke ngumkhuzi wempi.
Impi leyaba ikhongayo azoyithola futhi siyobamangaza.